Hey y'all, it's your girl Namia. I am back and I just wanted to show y'all a little clip today of these knotless I was doing. But the point of this video is to show y'all how I parted it out. So I do a part from ear to ear, and below the ears is where I do my 3 rows for small knotless, because when I do small knotless I'll do 3 rows behind the ear. And my bottom row, I start with 4 braids, and then from there I go up. So from my 4 braids I go to 5, and then from my 5 braids I go to 6, and that's just below the ear. And that's how I start my knots off, and that gets me on the right track. And if you want to know how the parts come out crispy, get your precision parting comb, and make sure you have your all-purpose comb just to smooth out the parts and everything. But yeah, I hope y'all like the video. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment below, and keep watching.